Sige. Bibigyan mo ako.
There's the another one.
This is seaweeds. Hello? This is seaweeds. Look at this. Oh. Wow, ang daming seaweed. We will eat this one later. I'm gonna prepare for this. And look at that. There, oh. See that? We have plenty here, oh, under the rock. See this one? This is Yamang La Union ito, ha? Yamang LU ito. Yamang LU. Wow. This is just it. Oh, there's another kind of seaweed right there.
Magandang lumot na.
There's another kind in here. Oh, see that?
Seaweed. Seaweed. Wow.
You guys like this? Makanlat ta dayta. Han nga talagang hindi talaga siya yung ano. Okay na rin. Pwede pa rin kainin ito. Kaya lang, hindi masyadong pinatangkil. Wow.
Maraming pagyan.
Is that enough for our meal?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we will get back next time.
Okay.
Come back next time. Mag-regenerate na naman sila. Okay.
And picture alpha. Picture.